Hello friends, introduce. My name is Ivone J. Patiasina, class E. Here I will explain about definition diabetes mellitus, cause internal and external, treatment and action, radical solution or particle solution. Enjoy watching. Definition of diabetes mellitus. According to the World Health Organization in 2016, diabetes mellitus is a chronic disease in which the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body is ineffective at using it. According to the American Diabetes Association in 2010, diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disease with hyperglycemia characteristics that occur due to defects in insulin secretion, insulin action, or both. Cause internal and external. Internal factors, namely the patient eating, motivation, length of treatment, type of disease, habits, patient's eating, patient appetite. External factors, namely the appearance of food from outside the hospital, menu variations. The patient's eating, motivation, and length of treatment are included in internal, the occurrence of food waste in the hospital. How can diabetes mellitus disease arise? Diabetes mellitus occurs when your immune system attacks and destroys the pancreatic cells that produce the hormone insulin. The hormone insulin plays an important role in the absorption of glucose by the body cells. Treatment and action. Treatment is divided into three, namely 1. Therapy insulin. Insulin therapy is the main treatment for type 1 diabetes mellitus. Insulin is a hormone produced in the pancreas. Treatment through insulin is needed when the pancreas is unable to produce insulin. 2. Diabetes medication. Sometimes a healthy diet and regular exercise are not enough to keep blood sugar levels stable. That's why diabetics need drugs to help controlling blood glucose. 3. Complete treatment or alternative. Generally, this complementary diabetes treatment consists of using traditional natural ingredients such as ginseng, cinnamon, and insulin leaves. This natural way can help overcome the symptoms of diabetes and reduce blood sugar levels. Healthy lifestyles. Healthy and regular dieting regular with balanced portions is the key to the right for diabetics. Irregular eating patterns actually cause blood sugar levels to become even more unstable. Sports. Diabetes treatment coupled with regular exercise can help the insulin hormone work so that it can more easily lower blood sugar. Doing exercise for diabetics can also help overweight diabetics reach their ideal weight. Routine blood sugar tests every day. Diabetics also with to regularly check blood sugar levels. For diabetics who undergo diabetes treatment with insulin, it is necessary to check blood sugar more often in a day. Consult with your doctor how many times and when to check your blood sugar every day. Action is divided into 6, namely 1. Maintain ideal body weight by eating low-fat foods. 2. Eat high-fiber foods such as fruits and vegetables. 3. Reduce consumption of sugary foods and drink. 4. Exercise regularly and do lots of physical activity. 5. Reducing sitting still for too long, such as when watching television. 6. Avoid or quit smoking. Practical solution. How to overcome diabetes actually can be done by way of a plant-based diet because it can help reduce food in the calories. So, a plant-based diet can treat diabetes, especially type 2. A plant-based diet will also overcome blood pressure in the body. That's all from my presentation. Hopefully it's useful.